Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're going to be vlogging today, and from the title I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be up to today, the packages I need to send out. It's a Tuesday today and it's after the bank holiday weekend, so this is going to be me packing the others that came in over the weekend. And I'm just going to show you that process. I've also got a few things I need to clear out in this warehouse and put them where it needs to be. So those are the things I picked up from the venue I used for my fashion show pop-up on the 29th. So I've just got them stacked on that side. I also need to go into Manchester today because I've got a few things I need to pick up from there, which I need to ship out today as well. So it's a really busy day, so I'm just going to get through things as quickly as possible. It's just gone past 9:30 now, and I'm going to do school run about 2:30, so I've got about 5 hours to make this work, and I'm going to see if I can squeeze in like 30 minutes of sleep because your girl is tired, as you can see from my face. But yeah, I just need to get things going as quickly as possible. Because it's just me working in this warehouse today, so I haven't got any help today, so I need to get things going as quickly as possible. So first things first, I have printed all the things we're sending out today. I'm hoping I get about 90% done. I've also got some things I need to amend, like customers that want lengths reducing or slits closing. Okay, so all the things here, I need to take them off away, like fold them or take them away from here. So I'll just start with the easiest ones first, just so I can have space to do what I need to do around here. And that suitcase is empty, so I'll need to take that inside. Okay guys, so I have just finished moving all the things from here, and I moved them somewhere at the back and put them under some of the shelves. So what I'm going to do now is I'll move this box on there just so I can have the space, because I need to start bringing out the things we're shipping for today. There is quite a lot to get through, and in 15 minutes I'll be going to Manchester. When I come back, I'll adjust the things I need adjusting, and I need to arrange UPS as well. So I'm just going to get things going as quickly as possible. Most of the things just need to go back onto the shelves, but that's not something I'll be doing because I've got all the things to do. And let's start getting our orders ready to be brought out. Let's see how quickly I can get through this. Hi guys, so a bit of an update. It's the last time I checked, it was about 9:30. I've managed to do a few things adjustment wise. I've got a few more to go through, and I've managed to bring out some of the things I'm shipping today. I've got some more on my packaging table. I think I'm going to be packaging here today, so I would need to quickly run into Manchester to pick up the things I need to pick up. Hopefully I get back by 12:30. It's currently 6 minutes past 11. It's going to take me about 35 minutes to go and 35 minutes to come back, which is about an hour 10 minutes. So I'm just giving like extra 20 minutes gap in between, just in case there's a bit of traffic. So I'm going to be leaving like right now. I would schedule UPS first, just so I know I've gotten that out of the way. Hi John, can I schedule a collection for today? Right, so I'm just on my way to Manchester. I did mention that I need to get into city centre, well, close to city centre, to pick up some items. So I've got an hour and 30 minutes. Everything is like, it's funny how like time literally flies by very quickly when you've got like so much to do. and the day literally flies by. Like, how is it almost 12 already? It was 8 a.m. only like 3 minutes ago. Right, okay. So that's what happens when I go on to ups.com. So it literally just grays out, and I'm logged into my UPS account. So I'm not sure why I'm getting this. But let's see how quickly I can get this done, because school run starts in 30 minutes. Hi guys, so a bit of an update. So I have just come back from picking my daughter up from school. It's currently almost 4 p.m. and I've got some things I need to take to the post office, and I've still got like so many more things that I need to get out. UPS has been to pick up the packages that needed to have, excuse me, gone out with to UPS. So I'll just need to walk through everything else I've got left. I'm hoping by tomorrow, fingers crossed, at the latest, I should be able to get at least 95% of everything I need to ship out like by tomorrow this time. So I think I might need to do some work later today. So I'm just on my way to the post office. It is 2 minutes to 5. I know, 2 minutes to 5. So I'm hoping I get to the post office on time. I also need to get some food stuff in one of the Asian restaurants not far from the post office. I feel like having okra soup. I'm not sure where that craving is coming from, so I'll probably just get that okra, and people call it okra. Don't know what that means. Okra and beef. I've actually got beef in the freezer, but I do not want to go through the stress of defrosting it. So my lazy mind tells me it's just easier to just buy one that has already been defrosted. So I'll probably just get like goat meat, something that's got a lot of fat, because that's what I want to eat right now. And I'll make that with swallow. I think I'll get Coke as well, just so I can, you know, take it down nicely. And I would make that with pounded yam. Yeah, that's sounding like a good idea so far. When I finish from that shop, I will go pick my son up from nursery, because it's going to be past 5 and he's been there since morning, so I need to go get him. And yeah, okay guys, so we're going to be unboxing this overlocker. I currently have one, but it's just giving up on me. I think it's run because of time. So it's kind of similar to the one I had before that has just stopped working. So I'll just check it. Ooh, this looks nice and pretty. Okay. Right, let's see that this actually works. So when I say my overlocker stops working, this thing is just very loose. So this is a bit different actually. I haven't got these dials on mine. I've got them on that side instead. So this is going to be nice to experiment. Ooh, I'm not sure what all this is. Okay, I'll plug it in and see that this actually works before I start removing anything, just in case.